Do you want to be able to sing freely without any tension? Do you want to be able to sing high without switching to falsetto? Do you want to extend your vocal range higher and lower?
What a wicked game to play, to make me feel this way.
Do you want your voice and vocals to be more stable?
Soon may the bellman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the talking is done, we'll take a leave and go.
Do you want to be able to sing harder or more gently?
Together we can take it to the end of the line. Love is like the shadow of the all of the time. Shines down upon you.
Do you want to know more about extreme vocal technique without destroying your voice? Do you want to be able to sing with power and tension-free?
I really need you tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start.
Do you want to be able to express yourself through your voice? Then welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio, where you can learn it all and even more. Phoenix Vocal Studio is an international vocal school with more than 20 years of experience worldwide. We have one-on-one trainings and group sessions. Or if you prefer to study at your own pace at your home, then check out our online courses. You can find all the information at phoenixvocalstudio.com.